Alright, so today we're going to talk about key features again. We have your slope, which is m. It's the y equals mx plus b, the number in front of m, or x. You have your x-intercept, which is on the x-axis, Then you have your y-intercept, which is on the y-axis. We'll talk about these later. But for example 1, it says x-intercept, that's on the x-axis. So our x-intercept is 4, 0, or is it really 4, 0? It's like 4.1, really, 0. That's your x-intercept, 4.1, 0. Then you have your y-intercept, which is on the y-axis, and that is, remember, 0 comes first, 0, -3. Then, let's try one more time. Our x-intercept is on the x-axis, which is left and right. If we zoom in, that is going to be 6, 0. And then for our y-axis, y-intercept is on the y-axis, up and down, which is 0, 4, and that's our y-intercept, 0, 4. So if you look at the next one, it says, a worker is packing items in boxes. The table shows the linear relationship between the number of items the worker has packed in boxes after different amounts of time. Here's a table. Which statement describes the rate of change of the number of items the worker packed in boxes with respect to the number of minutes the worker has been packing items in the boxes? Remember, our most important word is rate of change. Rate of change is another word for slope, our m value, our slope. So every time we want to get slope, we need to go to Desmos. That's going to be the best thing to use. So if we go to Desmos, we're going to do table. We're going to do 5, enter, 7, enter. Actually, let me make this a little bigger. 5, 7, 11, enter, 14, enter. Then the other side, 20, 28, 44, 56. Now we're going to type that most important equation, y1 squiggly line mx1 plus b. y1 squiggly line mx1 plus b. And remember, we're looking for slope, which is m. Our m equals 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the answer with m equals 4. We have 8. That's no good. We have 37, that's no good. We have 4, that's good. And we have 15, that's no good. So our answer is H. Now, if we look at the other question, it says, the graph of a linear function g is shown on the grid. What is the 0 of g? In this one, we have to identify the most important word, which is 0. 0 is going to be our x-intercept. So if we look at the x-intercept, we can see it's -6. So we would put -6 here. If you didn't know how to do that and didn't know how to look, you could always make a table with your points, -8, 3, -3, -4.5, and you could do this in Desmos. So table, we put the numbers, -8, 3, -3, -4.5, then you have the y1 squiggly line mx1 plus b, and you have to look at the x-axis, the one that goes left and right, so this point right here, and that says -6. Same. So our next one says, linear function k has a 0 of -2 and a y-intercept of 6. Which graph best represents k? So here, let's start with the y-intercept because I already know that word, y-intercept of 6. So I know that's on the y-axis. We're going to highlight every y-axis and check them. So we're looking for 6. This is 0, 6. This is good. 0, -2. This is no good. This is 0, 6. This is good. This is 0, -2. This is no good. Remember, we're looking for 0, 6. Then on our next one, we have 0 of -2. Remember when we said 0 earlier, we said it is the x-intercept. So we're going to look at the x-axis. So x-axis, this is 3, 0. This is not matched -2. This is not good. So we're going to go to the next one. We already eliminated H. Now let's check G. We have, oh, look, -2. -2, 0, which is what we're looking for. So G would be your answer. And remember, we already eliminated J. So that's how you would do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.